NIR is projected to fall 6% tomorrow, according to crypto predictions. First up, here's what the price is showing at this moment. NIR has fallen 2.5% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $1.402. Let's move on to analysts' forecasts. According to crypto predictions, a downward push to $1.315 by March 19 is likely, dropping around 6%. CoinLore believes NIR may approach $1.39. That's a decrease of about 0.6%. CoinPrice forecast points out the price could rise to $1.44, about 2.9% above current value. A separate forecast by Cryptonization shows NIR might test $1.465, a potential increase near 4.7%. To conclude, Gov Capital Collector targets $1.511 by tomorrow with 8% upside. This one holds the top earning potential. Tomorrow's calls are done. Let's check the next move. Forecasts are in. Time to check the projected figures. Taking the whole picture into account, the price could shift anywhere from a decline of 6% to a rise of 8%, depending on the analyst. Overall, Gov Capital Collector provides the leading forecast with 8% lift in value by March 19. Put simply, you could come away with between $6 and $80 for every $1,000 you invest. When focusing on probabilities, CoinLore has the strongest forecast, carrying a 98.5% chance of success. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've derived one consensus scenario. All forecasts together place NIR at close to $1.424. Alright, let's see what's inside. Consensus data points to price gaining about 1.8% by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also go up by around 1.8%. Putting 1,000 into this move could reflect about $18 in gain. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 97.2%. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon according to analysts. Crypto Predictions expects the price to slump further. A climb is highlighted by CoinLore, pointing to bullish sentiment. Likewise, CoinPrice forecast frames the 3-day picture as bullish. The view from Cryptonization is additionally bullish for the short term. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector sees the chart tilted toward growth. Looking at the consensus in full, the short-term scenario indicates NIR is trending higher over this horizon. Overall, 80% of forecasts highlight a higher path for NIR. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we'll see how they compared with the actual price. As a result, the market finally closed at $1.452. Only 2 predictions matched the real direction. The most accurate forecast was made by CoinPrice Forecast. Let's see the breakdown. Only 1 prediction managed to fall inside the candle. For ROI, part of the group finished in profit with the strongest outcome at 5.3%. Here's the detailed fact check. A side-by-side look at how every forecast turned out. Also worth noting, Crypto Predictions had a forecast probability of 98.7% and 7 cents accuracy and 5.3% ROI. Check the table and see whose forecasts aligned best with the real outcome. Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for NIR and other selected assets. In this comparison, Ethereum comes first with 3.4%, ahead of NIR. At the moment, you can see just 5 coins, and the detailed comparison of forecasted returns across many cryptocurrencies will also be added to my website and Telegram. One more thing. If this comparison of analysts helped you see things clearer, tap like and stay tuned by subscribing. Bye for now.